Bigyan with confidence, Aaron Simisina, grade 7. Environment is our greatest treasure, and it is our responsibility to protect and conserve it. To protect the environment, practice the use of 3 R's of waste management: reduce, reuse, and recycle. To support the healthy environment by planting trees, avoiding use of plastic, and support sustainable practice like riding a bike and using a motor vehicle and choosing sustainable products. We can also protect our environment by conserving water and energy, encourage others to participate in community cleanup. Sustaining life depends on how we protect and conserve our environment. Once again, I'm Aaron Simisina, grade 7!